Another Capri. Seen quite a few of these resurfacing again now. And this is the type of Jag that gangsters used in the 1960s. This is something that the Cray twins would probably have had. One of these. And a nice Mark 1. And another Corsair. See, another Capri. And a work in progress. These are the kind of things you see a lot in demolition derbies. And an old Citroen. And Patrick! Enjoying his milk. You've had biscuits, haven't you? You had a banana. You're happy, aren't you? Yeah.
Oh, would you know? Which one was...
It's been re-registered as on a Q plate. So it's obviously a mishmash of various different sorts. And then you've got the Challenger. Ready? You want to wear the hat? Come on then. There you go. Put it on then. Yeah, that's not quite what I meant. Hello. Hello. Yeah, put it on your head. You put it on my head. There we go. And take it off. Thank you. Come on then. Thank you. No, mine now. Patrick's enjoying his banana, looking at the bikes. I think it's going to be a biker. And there's our car. And there's Patrick. And there's our car. You're looking tired, mister. You want some more? Air Force DJ. Sunday drivers. 40 miles an hour in a 60 limit on an open road. Welcome to Sunday. So as you can see, we're on our way back from the show. We're just going to pick Mary up now, and we need to go and get some shopping. Isn't that fun? So yeah, it's a fantastic day, very hot, lovely. Seeing some nice cars and some aeroplanes, which don't interest me at all. They interest some people, of course, but not me. Patrick's asleep now. He's been fantastic today. He's had a lovely day as well. He's eaten his banana and his biscuits and had his milk, and he's happy. I haven't had any dinner, so I'm absolutely starving. But now I'm having to go really slowly because we're on a new road surface. They've got those stupid loose stone chippings. So annoying. How to ruin your paintwork. And it's not necessarily, it's okay for me to stay away from the car in front, but it's cars coming the other direction. Oh, it drives me nuts. I don't know why they do that. There you go. I've just picked Mary up, and she mistakenly left her phone in her jacket pocket, and I put the jacket in the boot, closed the boot, so now she doesn't have a phone. Are you going to be alright? I can give you mouth-to-mouth resuscitation if you feel like you're feeling faint or anything, alright? Well, if you start running out of oxygen because your phone's in the boot. Show was pretty busy. Wasn't brilliantly organised because there was cars everywhere. In the general car park there was cars everywhere. They weren't all together. It was very random. Bumpy old roads. Bloody Honda Jazz, come on. 15 miles an hour, really? Oh god. Okay, I know it's sunny and I know we're at the seaside, or we're at the seaside, or on the beach, whatever you want to say, but really 20 miles an hour kind of really does take the mickey. Although it does give me the chance to do this. Burble, burble, burble.
Oh, nice Jack.
No, it's not.
Oh. Nice
Bentley.
Bentley. What happened?
I knew he was going to do that. It's not a race, mate. What was the point of that? Because he heard the car, so he thought, I'll shoot off up the road. Let's have a race in a 30-mile-an-hour limit. What a knob! What was he expecting was going to happen there?